chilly, boy.
Oh, there he is. Yeah. I am. I'm cray cray for calamari.
Cray cray for calamari. Cray cray for calamari.
Cray cray for calamari.
Nice. Yeah, I know what you mean now about a bigger pole.
Ooh.
I have a bigger pole. I'm gonna use
I ripped it out. Double. Willy's gonna make sashimi. Calamari sashimi.
You know I'm cray cray for
Oh, I
calamari.
forgot the hat. You forgot the
Cray
red
cray
sauce,
for calamari.
man. Yep. The top hooks a lot. No, you don't like the top? Calamari bukkake, baby.
So I want to make mention that my favorite squid jigs are Yozori squid jigs, and I'm using Yozori minis on this particular rig and a medium, and they did a great job on this particular day. I tied my rig with 20-pound test Berkeley Vanish fluorocarbon, and if you tie a long leader single jig, let's say the current is running hard, then a little bit stiffer leader is probably better. You probably want to go with the 30-pound Berkeley Vanish fluorocarbon. But yeah, so this has been working well for me, and it's the way I tied the rig. I tied the leaders very short, and I actually passed the squid jigs through the dropper loops so that they won't twist up, and it worked very well, as mentioned. The colors I was using today were a pink mini, a blue mini, and a pink medium Yozori squid jig. And some days the squid are preferential to color at times, it seems, but on this particular day I don't think that they really seem to care much about what color you were putting in front of them. They were in a very active mood for sure, and we had a great trip. So the rod and reel that I'm using today is a Quantum Accurist, and it's got the flip and switch, and I love that. It is loaded up with Hitina Pure Line 21-pound test braided line. It's the diameter of 3-pound test monofilament, and as I mentioned before, I tied my rig with 20-pound Berkeley fluoro. The rod is an old Berkeley rod. In fact, couldn't even probably find one anymore. I don't even really know the model. It's a soft rod, and I recommend a soft rod for squid fishing, no question about it. Shoutouts to the crew who joined me on this trip. My very, very dear friend Peter Sedaris, one of my #1 fishing buddies, and also Craig Marino. We have fished together a good number of times now over the years, and my new friends Frank Guillermi and Frank Fenimore, and their buddy Jack was supposed to join us as well. He did join us the following day with Captain CJ on Islander Charters, and you'll be seeing him in up-and-coming videos. So why are we a bunch of crazy calamari guys? Well, because it's a whole lot of fun, no question about it. And it's fantastic bait. I love having it in the freezer for a bunch of different fishing opportunities, no question about it. I love to fish whole squid for big fluke, among other things. It's great to have for sea bass. You name it. I mean, there's hardly anything that swims in the ocean that doesn't eat squid. So, for all those reasons, and certainly because it's delicious. I love eating it. It's healthy, I think. And it's just fantastic. I mean, look at these dishes, and you can look forward to an up-and-coming catch and cook squid coming your way soon. So if you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Kenneth Westerfeld Fishing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.